Hi, I'm Maddie, and today I'm going to be showing you around Astina Space in Emu Plains. A super cool, super big space built for e-commerce businesses, tradie offices, warehousing and workshops. Now today we've got a lot of ground to cover, so first things first, a quick stop at Fin & Co because I'm not doing anything without a coffee. The cool thing about this space is just that, the space. It scales with you. So if you're running a small e-com operation, one unit will do the trick. But if you need room for a whole workshop setup, we've still got you covered. So take as much or as little as you need and grow from there. Down here on the ground floor, we've got everything you need to actually run your business. The boardroom is bookable at any time, so perfect for if you want to impress a client or even just get some serious work done. Right across, we have the photo studio and it's all set up, ready to go. Looks like there's a product shoot happening now. Looking good, guys. Now the units. This is the part I love. They are available to buy or rent and they are completely customizable. So your unit, your imagination. Add a mezzanine for some extra space, add a hoist for your classic car. Honestly, the possibilities are endless. What I love about this unit is the luxe feel with the glass balustrade and the added flooring. Now let's take a look at the front of house. This is Michelle and she looks after all the members here. She'll even drop your delivery straight to your unit. So if you need to organise a shipment or coordinate a delivery, Michelle's got it handled. Morning, Michelle.
Morning.
Any mail today?
Here you go.
Awesome, thanks so much. Something really exciting when you're a member of Astina Space is you get access to all sorts of add-ons. So if you need a trailer, a box truck, or even a tip truck, we've got you covered. We've even got a car wash bay to make your work vehicle sparkle. These are available for free, so if you want to book them in, talk to Michelle and she'll book it out for you. We even have a forklift if you need to load some pallets. Now, the ground floor is great, but let me show you upstairs. We've got keyless entry throughout, so after hours access is never a problem. Your business doesn't stop at 5 o'clock and neither do we. You have 24/7 access all year round. Up here, we've got a dedicated amenities and break room, and all the units have seriously tall ceilings. So if you need that extra headroom for racking, equipment, whatever it is, we've got you. Last thing, and you're gonna wanna stick around for this one. Right now, if you buy or rent a unit, you'll get access to the Astina Club with a whole range of exclusive perks. We're talking special discounts on stays at Astina Suites in Penrith, drinks at Theo's Rooftop Bar, spa days at Reset Penrith, and first dibs on any new development built by Astina. It's not just an office or a warehouse space, you're joining a community. So if you're ready to level up your business, our doors are open and we'll see you here. Just chat to Michelle when you arrive and she'll handle the rest.